Okay, so you're opening.
X. Good morning, everyone. And we are here at the Real Food Academy Cafe Studio bringing you our latest news. I'm Rosa Maria Margarita and
I'm Cesar Alfredo. And in our top story this morning, Valentine's Day. Class the 14th. We have two classes. Matter of fact, yes, two classes. The first one will be 11:30 to 2 brunch. Adults only, please. We will start off. The good news about that is mimosas.
yeah, ooh,
How great is that?
mimosas is always a good idea.
I love mimosas.
Yes.
Lover salad with heart-shaped beets, candied walnuts. Who doesn't love candied walnuts? And
God.
we'll have lobster ravioli with choice of sauces and heart-shaped chocolate brownies. Sounds like a real good old time at the petting party to me. Also, 6 to 9 p.m. we have Valentine's Day class as well.
Ooh.
Yes, we're going to have choice of steak
And
or lobster
Oh
ravioli.
my God.
Absolutely. So come check us out. Valentine's Day.
that sounds like fancy
Yes.
dinner, right?
That sounds like a wonderful dinner to me.
All right, thank you, Cesar. So another top line story will be Mommy and Me. Remember, we are only celebrating this class 5 times a year. So reserve your class before it's too late. It's gonna be from 5 to 7 p.m. and it's gonna be February the 5th. Okay, so sign up. We will have salad on a boat, also cheese ravioli, and vegan chocolate chip cookies. Oh my God, that sounds delicious.
Salad
right?
on a boat, huh?
Yes.
Sounds interesting. Sometimes I get sea legs when I'm on a boat and eating a salad on a boat, you know.
Come on, Cesar.
Okay, so
And on the news, we
And
are also
other
gonna be
news.
having day camp. So remember, parents, if it's teacher planning day, we're having a day camp here at the academy, all right? So it's gonna be celebrating Martin Luther King's, where we will be having burgers, burgers galore. Who wrote my notes? I don't know, but it will be burgers. Let me remove it.
she can't see because.
Okay,
Yes.
so
In other news, we have other classes that we
Oh
need to
my
talk
God,
about,
yes,
right? This past Tuesday night, we had a risotto class.
yes,
Yes,
amazing. The
risotto.
risotto was amazing.
Absolutely phenomenal. Yes, we did 2 different kinds of risotto. We talked about all the different kinds of rice. Why it's so funny? So, and then and then we did a farro risotto. We did a farotto. Yes, the farotto. With
Farotto.
saffron sugar. It was absolutely amazing. It tasted like shrimp and it's like creamy texture and all that good
So
stuff.
it's possible to create a different risotto without that rice.
Yeah, absolutely. Risotto is just a kind of rice. So
Remember that we don't change the dish, we change.
changed the ingredients. Okay, and so that was Tuesday night, and
For our Wednesday
What do you have
after
Wednesday?
school, we do have a 10-week program, the after school program, okay? This will be week number 2. It's a 10-week program where kids learn how to become a real food chef. So it's going to be from 4:30 to 6 p.m. You can sign up for a single class or for the whole package. By the end of this program, you will learn all about it and you will get to the challenge.
the big challenge at the end. Absolutely, it's an
Yes.
absolute wonderful time. Kids love it. It's a great way to get those kids to come a cook to a chef.
And also to incentivize, to motivate them to be creative in the kitchen, to try different things because they learn how to cook it.
Cook
Yeah.
well. Absolutely.
What else? What else?
So we also have a Thursday night class. One of our big ones is the sushi class.
Oh yes.
Yeah, sushi
for
class,
adults.
yeah, for adults. If you are going to sign up for that class, I would get to that soon because it does sell out.
That's
quite
right,
quickly.
Cesar Alfredo. It sells super fast.
It sells very quickly, and we are going to be doing shrimp dumplings along with that. Shrimp or vegetable dumplings, and sushi galore, right? We all know what galore means, right?
Yeah, it means a lot of it.
A lot of it. So,
So what type of sushi are we gonna be making?
well, there'll be salmon and there'll be tuna, and you'll will just realize that making sushi is not as hard as you think it is. It really is quite simple, you know, once you get it. So.
Easy, it's fun, and
it's tasty.
Uh-huh.
So, and then what else do we got? Thursday?
So we have on Thursday, after Thursday, we always have our Saturday kids classes.
Saturday kids
yes.
class, yes.
So every single Saturday from 9:45 to 11:30 a.m., we're hosting a cooking class for kids. And this week will be farm to table, which is really important to know where the ingredients come from and how can we cook with raw vegetable, like from scratch. You get to a garden, you see how they grow, you take it and then you cook it. What is the best way to cook? Real
ingredients. Absolutely, yes. So that was great. Yeah, I think that's going to be a great week for the Real Food Academy. If you're in the area, come check out the cafe.
With Lee, which is not there right now because she's attending.
She's attending, doing her duties. If you get online at therealfoodacademy.com, you should be able to sign up for any class that you'd like.
So, and that's it for today's news. Remember, every Monday we are going to be bringing you this weekly news. And most importantly, you're able to book any of these classes at therealfoodacademy.com. Where, Cesar?
At therealfoodacademy.com. Make sure you go there and check out our Facebook and our Instagram, right? And also our YouTube channel, which is right here somewhere, I believe, right?
Yes.
There's probably a bell or a subscribe button or a like button you can click on. I don't know how that works, but it's around here, one of these corners. So click on something and be notified, right?
Yes, Cesar.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Margarita.
And that's it for today's news,
that's
guys.
That's
Thank you so much.
And hey, stay tuned for Coffee Talk. A couple of characters on that show, aren't there?
Oh my God, who's gonna be in there?
I don't know these guys, but I heard they're pretty good at what they do. they know a lot of stuff.
They know a lot of about coffee, right?
They have a very extended knowledge of coffee. So.
And that was it for today's, guys. So remember, you go to therealfoodacademy.com and book any of her classes. In other news?
That was the other news. So thank you for that. And remember, there's Facebook and Instagram. And remember to click a bunch of buttons to like and subscribe. Maybe
like.
Hit a bell in there somewhere.
Remember that we always keep our upcoming classes on our social media.
Social media classes, absolutely. And go to the website. I'm telling you, they're all there, right?
It's easy. Yes. Go to realfoodacademy.com. Yes. Go to kids classes, adult cooking classes, Saturday classes, Tuesday classes, Wednesday lunch, Wednesday after school.
Yep.
What else? What am I missing? Special events, day camp, mommy and me, or daddy and me.
And daddy and me.
What else?
Yeah.
Team building events, private parties. And also, if you go to the Real Food that cafe, you can get some delicious food.
So order some food, yeah.
All right.
So,
thank you,
all
guys.
Right, thanks. So, all right, coffee, please.